So I was browsing some comments on one of these videos by Fact versus Religion, good stuff. And anyway, so one of the commenters, boblabla33, who is stupid. Anyway, I'm going to start the video in a minute. I'll just show you the comments. I was just correcting him, saying that because he said it's only a theory, so I'm going to get on his case about this. And then I responded saying a lot of things are theory, gravity, etc. I'll show you the comments. If you need to, just pause it. This is a video response to boblabla33. Anyway, obviously you do not know any of this. Okay, first off, gravity is a theory. Okay, it is a law in respect to Newton's laws, but it is a theory, since general theory of relativity. Also, gravity, how it works isn't known. That's why it's a theory. For instance, gravity doesn't say we're going to drop something, it's going to fall. That's not gravity. Gravity says that masses attract each other, but we don't know how those masses attract each other. So it's a theory. Right now we think it has something to do with the Higgs and gravitons, but we don't know. We don't know. We just know that masses attract each other. And plus, we don't even know if it works in another part of the universe. For instance, say you go, say somewhere like 1 billion light years away. Say, what if gravity is different there for some reason? Anyway, yeah, it's a theory. The only way it can become more, the only way anything can become more of a theory is if it goes into the realm of mathematics, and it's not, you know, like Newton's laws. It's like 1 + 1 = 2. There's no other way to do that. You can't. 1 + 1 doesn't equal 3, and it doesn't equal 1. 1 + 1 = 2. Anyway, let's see, what else did you foolishly say? And gravity isn't that strong, really. It's, for instance, you said it won't float. It will float if it's not dense enough, which is why it doesn't sink through water. If something's dense enough, it will sink through the earth, like neutronium, and if something's light enough, it will float off of the earth, like helium. Gravity is the weakest of the forces. Okay, let's see. Laws are more probable than theories because they have been tested. That's what a theory is. It's been tested, verified, and it has evidence to it. Laws are theories, unless it's in mathematics. let's see, like the atomic theory. You're going to argue that is because it's just a theory atoms don't exist. You're going to argue that because it's just a theory cells don't exist, cell theory. The electron theory, electricity. Everything in science is a theory. Okay, yeah, the only thing higher than theories is proof, which is in math. So, let's see. And right here, this second comment, you just give it up. You just let yourself be known that you do not have an understanding of evolution whatsoever. You see, the dolphin is not consciously aware of evolution. No animal is consciously aware of evolution. Humans aren't consciously aware of evolution unless we're thinking about it. We're not aware of it. And it works this way. Say every creature has mutations. Okay, some don't affect it. Okay, most don't affect it. But the occasional, fraction of a percentage that does affect it will be harmful or good. And the ones that are harmful, it dies off. That's simple. If an offspring gets a defective one, it will die off, and the one that gets a beneficial one will live on. And then that one will have children, and those ones will have mutations. It's just whichever one fits best for the area. The dolphin, for example, dolphin whales, they were quadrupedal animals, and over time they eventually became more otter-like, and then seal-like, and then they just lost the use of their back legs, which is in the fossils, the bones. You could go to a whale and look at the bones of it, and you'll find the vestigial organs of the bones. And there's also a gene for it in whales. If you activate that gene, it will have legs. A little stubby legs, but it will have legs. So, no, it didn't move its body parts. It just happened that over time, that's where it went to, because that was the best fit for the environment. For instance, legs in the fins, it was actually their tail. Their tail is the fin, and it just turned out that broader tails push more water and allowed them to swim better. And so it got kept. Develop a tail is irrelevant because I just said that the tail becomes whatever. And you wouldn't be in the middle of this. You would be unaware of it. Okay. Until evolution came along, we were unaware of it. But the ancient Greeks had formulated evolution first. They just didn't have any real stuff for it. Anyway, let's see. Believe that animals help make things. I just can't believe you just don't try anymore. You just don't have any understanding of this. Go look at CypherDxvz's videos. I'll post a bunch. I'll post links to people. Wait, no, actually, I have a playlist that I'll link you to, just so you can get a little informed on this topic. But you're just wrong, outright wrong. It doesn't work in any way like that. Actually, I might make this a series called stupid comments from creationists. Anyway, I hope you try to learn better.